Bushia Ejuma MPP communicators entimi anya no Paul Adom Otchere e just 2 minutes video aye ni nyina yenko tie nsem a Paul Adom Otchere de tudwa ewi a ebede hu komo.
It is true that free SHS was a policy that was touted by the Akufo-Addo government. But it's not just free SHS. There was STEM education, there was ICT kindergarten, there was 80 educational projects opened one day, there was fees for all public schools, BEC, absorbed by the government for the first time. There was 3,000 education infrastructure projects completed. STEM was introduced to this country by Akufo-Addo. It's for the young people. They are benefiting from it. There were 300 science laboratories instituted across Ghana. In sports, there were 3 AstroTurfs in 2016. By the time Akufo-Addo was leaving, it's 150. There were 300 ambulances nationwide put across. There was free TVET, which was novel, never happened. There were several model STEM schools built, Abomosu STEM School, Penkasu STEM School, Dabiaso STEM School. STEM. Ghana leads in STEM because of Akufo-Addo's vision. There was Agenda 111, which was supposed to have 111 hospitals. It ended up having less than 10% of it, but it was a project started. There was upgrading of police and security services. There were 3 helicopters to the police. Today we are hearing that they were bought old, etc., etc. There were restoration of trainee fee allowances, which President Mahama is continuing. There was free dialysis, sickle cell and childhood, which President Mahama is continuing under Mahama Care. There was 1 district, 1 factory. These are the things that have to be done, that every government can say these are the things that we have done to move forward. But importantly, so that we don't take advantage of each other in a way that another one can take advantage 8 years' time, because it will happen. President Mahama became president in January. By March, he traveled somewhere, and then you see the video, somebody standing, somebody standing, say, Shwe Mahama cars, and he's counting it, it is there. Just coming from the same election where we campaigned that somebody was doing it, because we have refused to delineate certain things.
Ebusuwa won sana no mbeka kire wo say ejuma ye kapa say president bi aye de a there is no president in the history of Ghana ejuma na Addo Akufo-Addo aye no wetimi aye bi eba akwan over 13,000 kilometers of road. 13,000 kilometers of road. They can say 13,000 kilometers of road na ebumwe busa say obeta Otchere Akufo-Addo ba aye no oye akwan aye brand new nkwa 13,000 kilometers of road na entesa you combine graveling, asphalt, new roads. What you say? Akwan na tutu a na say ye ni ye. Akwan ya yegu so foforo. Akwan ya na e wo say ye say egu graveling na foforo. Akwan na wo say ye asphalt na foforo. Akwan foforo ye interchanges. Ye kan nyina bomu a. Kwan ya omo ye no over 13,000 kilometers of road. 13,000 kilometers of road. And to say interchanges now, Oba Accra, you will be Chebilamte interchange, wo Abuso kind, so wo call a year Kanishi now free, Circle Bar, and also free Accra Central, Graphic Road, now Bakanisia, and now free Circle, now we'll call Qualebu Quainoswa, and war infinity on the Ferno, Obechebilamte, a interchange, Pocrease interchange, when they're the second largest and biggest 4-tier interchange in the whole of Africa and the biggest interchange in the whole of West Africa. Now Addo Akufo-Addo ye. We share 10 lane and now more year from Pocrease to Nsanwemua. Yes. And the most contractors of council want to acquire kama. And another Addo Akufo-Addo legacy in Ebene no. Accra na tema motorway interchange. And I think tema motorway na kasan so no. And also almost so Eden ye. Ufri Ablokuma Banyard Eko Pocrease sa kwan no eno nso eka ho bi sanso na Accra hanum ya no ekopiem e flower pots nso a no nso no kama Accra na no East Legon underpass eno nso no honum kama Nungwa Junction Mall interchange just say so even Accra and interchange in 6 Temali interchange. So full line Swami interchange in the Sante region. Swami interchange. Takrade interchange. You know they were Murphy no. But I know what Takrade name Tadi, you know, but it's in Takrade. I think certain Mufone almost 85% complete. The about hospitals are aside Agenda 111 no government no AC 39 hospitals are not yet completed. If they say Achiase District Hospital, say we are Contomra District Hospital, Elubo District Hospital, Takwan Swayom District Hospital, Okre District Sports Hospital, Swami District Hospital, Chidie Manson Kwanta Hospital, Agenda 111, 3D Agenda 111, Abomosu Agenda 111. What you say? Uba Accra, Nephrology and Oncology Center Department of Excellence. I share a post-treated kidney disease. I Kalebu Teaching Hospital. I know 10-bed hospital. I know Kalebu Teaching Hospital. Got to see Uko Piemu. Ewo Ponkatamanso a district hospital. Now the Danko Kufad Nisi. What you say? So I can mention Time District Hospital, and also Kufad Nisi. So what you say? So I can mention over 39 hospitals completed. UGMC phase 2 equivalent this year. UGMC phase 2 equivalent this year. Phase 1 no started by Evans Fifia Tamil started the phase 1. Nekufado eba be phase 2. So what you say? Eba a year sports complex 10 new sports complex. Afe bote my sports complex only the host a year All African Games 2023. All African Games 2023. Honum any host and what you know AstroTurf. Before I said people power, now the whole Ghana was 6 AstroTurf. If you know over 150 AstroTurf, 150 AstroTurf. After by universities, university, you go Piemo a year Eastern region university bako ewo hono me kufa de see here. You go Piemo Ashanti local government university wa command and kufa de see here. You see, we can mention a lot of projects to back our claim. And about the UGMC, she video na John Dramani Mahama. I don't say no tone. I can't say I time was start here. Now phase 2 the cover the Copeska. Don't we? She video no. Ebusia. I had them say the facts in Kwane year Juma. Video no me video ABC. I boss have the number wire then. Watch your so. What you say? So we are telling you that Seba a Juma. There is no precedent under the Fourth Republic. Even if one po, it might cover the year no intimate and or restore NS necessary training allowances. Or sanso, MLT insurance be shemu kidnap, a kidney dialysis, can't win free. This is the president you are talking about. This video, make sure say you share to everyone for them to know the kind of work that the Danko Akufo-Addo did. Share this video to them. And I know you are going to do justice to this video, so make sure you share this video to them.
On to President Professor John Evans Atta Mills. President Mills commenced the Eastern Corridor Road project, the University of Ghana Medical Center, which I inaugurated yesterday, the Kotokraba Market, the Cape Coast Stadium, and a host of others which I inherited.